Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about an important update from Adobe regarding their terms of service. Recently, Adobe updated their terms of service and many people are saying that they will now have access to your photos and other material in order to train AI models. Let's read through the terms to understand what's happening. Specifically, Adobe's terms state: content analysis for product improvement. When you use Creative Cloud and Document Cloud apps, Adobe may analyze your content processed or stored on our servers using techniques such as machine learning to improve our products and services. If you prefer that Adobe not do this, you can opt out of content analysis at any time. These settings does not apply when you separately choose to participate in product improvement programs. If you are using Adobe products, it's crucial to understand what this means for you and your work. Additionally, according to the new terms, Adobe clarifies ownership and licensing. You own your content, but in order to use our products and services, we need you to give us permission to use your content when stored or processed in our cloud. This permission is called a license. This license allows us to provide our products and services to you, like if you want to share your content or publish your content on Behance, because it's your content, not ours. This license does not give us permission to train generative AI models with your or your customers' content. We don't train generative AI models on your or your customers' content unless you have submitted the content to Adobe Stock Marketplace. We also ask whether you would like to help us improve our products and services, but it's never required. When you choose to help us improve our products, we need a limited license to your content for that specific purpose. What's my opinion? From these terms, it seems that while Adobe is using content analysis to enhance their products and improve their services, they are giving users the options to opt out. They did not use your content to train generative AI models unless it's submitted to Adobe Stock, and they emphasize that you retain ownership of your content. If you want to opt out from analyzing your content, follow the video to turn off the settings. When I heard the rumors that Adobe looks at your photos, I was shocked and freaked out. Obviously, no one wants their photos being looked at for any reason. Even though we read the terms, the thought that they can do it if they want still lingers in your mind. You never know. So if you take this into account, along with the expensive monthly subscription, you have two good reasons to leave Adobe. I will prepare a video with Lightroom and Photoshop alternatives, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read through Adobe's updated terms yourself and stay informed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more updates.